Hello and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, another crypto review. But before that guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is not a financial advice, so always do your own research because this is for entertainment only. Crypto has a risk, so always do your own research and be responsible on your funds. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is another meme coin that is performing well. So the price of this meme coin guys is 0.5 USD or 0.573 USD guys. This is the fart coin and this is their current Twitter guys. Tokenizing farts with the help of bots, Fartcoin Dev or Pan, it will be adopted. Fartcoin as CTO, no cabal, fart freely, Telegram guys. Okay? So right now they have 84.7k follower and this is their website. So initializing fart protocol, disrupting the crypto space one fart at a time. So no cabal, fart freely based on fart story truth terminal. So the market cap of this meme coin guys is 577 million USD and the current price is 0.5730. These are available on a coin market, CoinGecko, and Axiom. So this is the coin market guys. So the bullish percentage of this one is 68% and the bearish is 32% guys. You can buy Fartcoin on Binance and Coinex. Okay, just click this one if you have Coinex and then log in and then you can buy a Fartcoin here guys. Okay, so this is the current price of the Fartcoins and then 8% it goes down one day ago and the volume within 24 hours is negative 12.69%. But I think this Fartcoin is doing well guys. You can see here that the candle is going up and then going down. I think tomorrow goes up again up to 0.59 if I'm not mistaken guys. Okay, so this is their Twitter socials. They're available. Join the Fart community. Telegram. Okay, in Telegram, they also have 3,221 members and 324 online guys. Okay, so the Fartcoin is a meme coin with a no intrinsic value or financial return expectation. This token exists purely for entertainment purposes. To 2025 Fartcoin, all right reserved. Okay, so that's the Fartcoin guys. So again, this is meme coin. Do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose always on crypto. So again, this is MetaChain. Bye-bye.